Happy birthday, honey.
Don't do that, you'll make me cry.
Fucking awesome!
Oh my god. Oh, that is so cool.
Sorry. How was it? Alright. It doesn't hurt. You can go ahead and say it. I'm sorry, I thought you were an asshole. It won't hurt. I'm sorry.
If all these people weren't here, I'd bang you right now.
You better not. I'm going to put it on Facebook.
Holy crap!
Isn't that fucking awesome?
Sweet.
Hey, it's got my floor mats in it.
Might want to super glue them.
Somebody have to instruct me here.
Hit the button.
That's so cool,
Nice
man.
car.
I got a video. Oh.
Wow.
Oh, hell no, mama.
Good job, man.
Hey, mama, that was that quinceañera card they gave you. How did that? Holy moly.
Oh yeah, Louis doesn't have your card.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, just for the record.
That's cool, mama.
It's just a loaner. You got to get back in the truck.
Right?